Tonight's homework has students working in values both in front of the decimal point in the whole numbers, ones, tens, and hundreds, and behind the decimal in partial in numbers that are fractions or decimal form. So what students are going to do here is write the values for each number for the place value disc, and then they're going to combine them. It's really important that students use the template for place value when they're doing this. So they may want to draw this on their paper and write ones, tens, hundreds, and then tenths, and then hundredths so that they can see it. When students do that, they're able to see the number a little earlier. So 3 tens, the value is 3 times 10, or they can skip count these, 10, 20, 30. Here they have 4 tenths, and then they have 2 hundredths. So again, counting up the values and making the decimal. When students go ahead and move it into its decimal form, they would see they have 3 tens, no ones, 4 tenths, and 2 hundredths. And they can see the final number would be 30 and 42 hundredths. This template is something they can draw right in on their paper to help them. For problem 2, using the place value chart and then expressing the value of the digit. So what students would do here, and it says in unit form, so I'm going to show you both how they would do it in numeric form and unit form. So here they're looking for the digit in the hundreds, so they'd come here and they'd see in the hundreds they have the digit of 8. Its value is 800, or in unit form 8 hundreds. So in unit form, they're putting the digit and the place value. So students, when they get down to here, tenths and hundredths, are going to want to be really conscientious of where that place value is. On the back side, this is something that we practiced in class today using both the fraction notation and the decimal notation. And you'll see the only difference is how they represent the tenths place and the hundredths place as a fraction as in a decimal. Nothing changes in the tens and ones, but it just changes in the form that they see here. So for instance, if students were to come down to this one, they have 40 and 6 tenths. As a fraction, they have 40 whole and 6 out of 10. For the expanded form, they want to put each value for the place. So they're going to start with the 4. So they have 4 times the place value, which in this case is tens, plus, they don't have anything in the ones place, so they don't even need to include it. They have the digit of 6 in the value of 1/10. And again, students are going to want to show the math underneath. So this is 40 plus 6 tenths equals 40 and 6 tenths. For the decimal form, nothing changes with the tenths place. It would still be 4 times 10. The change would be in the tenths place, where they're going to do 6 times 0.01. Oops, that's hundredths, excuse me. They're going to do times 0.1. And the solution is the same value with 2 different notations. So this is 40 plus 6 tenths, which looks like this in decimal form. So students can use those two examples to solve this page.